Greetings, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Exploring with the Queen B. Hey, Grand Rise, all out, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How y'all doing? Y'all, it's Wednesday, it's Thursday. I was finna say Wednesday, but it's Thursday, y'all. Hey, how y'all doing? So, hey, I was telling y'all that I was going to be putting one of my gifts together. So that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. It's about 8 o'clock. So you see, I already put these parts in right together here. This thing, these. I already put this together. You can see that already. And down here, I have the little drawers here, and the section that goes inside of the drawers to keep it open, to keep it solid. And this is direction here. This is how it's going to look when it's finished. That's the black and white. You can see it. This is a drawer dresser, and this is the instruction menu. So I already got started on it. And I also sprayed the drawers, y'all. This is some fabric, Lysol 99 Kill 99.9. All different kinds of odors, causes bacteria. And you spray beds and couches and all that type of stuff with this right here. So I already sprayed down my drawers and stuff, to make sure that kill any kind of bacteria or whatever it may be on these drawers. Like I said, I already put all this together. And this is the top that goes on top of here. I'm going to be putting this on here. Y'all, this is a very nice dresser. I really like it. This is one of those disinfect wipes. You want to wipe it off, because when they putting all this stuff together in the factory, all they do is just put it all together. They don't be wiping nothing off, So you want to wipe everything off and spray it down. This is just some furniture parties. Just some furniture polish, y'all, scrub free. Let this dry, then I'm gonna put some furniture polish on it. You want to wipe all the dust off of them, off of the stand. So how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope y'all having a blessed Thursday morning, y'all. I hope y'all had a good, blessed night. I know I did. It don't take long to put together. Give a shout out to this factory that make these dressers. I like them. I think they're really nice. Now I'm gonna put this top on here. I'm gonna wipe it off. Put a little wax on it. And wipe it down. Y'all, this is one of my birthday gifts. I'm very good at putting stuff together. I'll move these out the way. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. It don't take very long at all to put them together. You just want to put the screws in it, 4 screws going here. It has a little outer wrench here. These is kind of the little screws here. Just tighten a little bit with your hand, then just tighten with your outer wrench. Just tighten with your hand, then just get the outer wrench and tighten it up. I know I said I was gonna put it together and I was gonna let y'all see, but since I was putting it together, I said let me just go ahead on and do a video of showing them that I did put it together. Nobody else did. I put it together myself. I'm very good at putting stuff together, y'all. I am. Make sure that it's tight. You don't want to over tighten it. The outer wrench will let you know that it's tight enough. You don't want to over tighten it because you can bust the wood. And this is a wood top. Okay. Now ready to put the drawers in. Drawers going this way. Got the little slots here. Drawer slide on. Like I said, I already sprayed them out. Those have like a little dust in them. Put that in like that. And also have a little handle. These are the little handles. They also have a little screwdriver on the end here too, with the little outer wrench here, and it has the little so all the tools come with it. You don't have to have any tools. They give you all the tools too, and I thought that was really cool. Cause usually the time I used to have to go and get a screwdriver. And you have all the little tools, and that's really good. And there it is. It also has a little hook, a little loop here that you can pull, you know, when you want to pull this up, it has the little loop here. You can catch it and pull it up, you know, pull it up out of there, out of the drawer. Put in like this. When you put in, it's also have a little loop there that you can easily pull it out. I thought that was really cool too. Shout out to this company who make these drawers. Ace customer service, technical support. I don't know what company, but I ordered this off of Amazon from my Amazon gift card. What is this technical support here? And this other information, customer service. AC customer service outlook.com. Just let y'all see. You might can get something off of here just in case. If you want to order you one of these dresser drawers. They can come in handy. They really can. I'm going to do just this one, y'all. And I'm going to come back and show y'all how it look. How about that? Shout out to all my subscribers. Welcome aboard new subscribers. Don't forget y'all see I still got my birthday banner still up. I'll be celebrating my birthday the whole month of July. And you know, July is speedily going out of here, and August speedily coming in. So if you have not already subscribed, go ahead on and do so. And while you're subscribing, hit the like button, comment, share. And don't forget to hit the notification button. Every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So go ahead on, y'all, and subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'm still waiting on the other subscribers to subscribe. I'm looking for 500 to 1,000 subscribers. So July's still here. You do something for me, I'm gonna do something for you. What's that, Queen B? What I'm doing now, making a video. Okay? So y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day. And have a blessed week. Don't forget to pray for one another. And that's right, and that's right, and that's right. And don't forget to come on back. And that's right. Let's explore together with the Queen. Behave.